about a word and its relative derivation.
A word and its relative derivation. The main topic are word and lexeme, word classes and conversion, adverbs derived from adjective, nouns derived from nouns. So nouns derived from members of other word classes, adjective derived from adjective, adjective derived from member of other word classes, verb derived from verb, and verb derived from member of other word classes. Word and lexeme. What is word? The term word is used to design an intermediate structure smaller than a whole pair yet larger than a single sound segment. The word as represented in writing represents a thought unit or a psychological unit. Table, house, courage, fight, intelligence, tall, short, sleep. A word may consist of a single morpheme, for instance, rock, red, quick, run, go, or several morphemes, rocks, fitness, quickly, running, goes. A complex word will typically include a root and one or more affix, rooks, readiness, quickly, running, goes, or more than one root in a compound, blackbird, downfall. What is a lexeme? A lexeme is small semantic language unit. A lexeme has a morphological form, semantic context or meaning, and a synthetic category. Lexeme is basically an abstract notion used in linguistic morphology, the concrete realization of which is a word. Lexemes are created from roots word by adding prefix, suffix, and by affix. For example, work, works, working, read, reads, reading, run, runs, running. Run, runs, run, and running are forms of the same lexeme conventionally written as run. Find, finds, found, and finding are forms of the English lexeme find. Word classes and conversion refers to a group of words which have similar function. Word classes are divided into open classes and closed classes. Open classes include lexical words such as nouns, example, dinner, flesh, franchise, verbs, example, meet, drive, go, pick, adjective, example, old, angry, helpful, adverbs, example, quickly, carefully, fast. Closed classes have limited membership. They include function words such as pronouns, it, he, who, anybody, one, determine, a, that, the, some, each, several, modal verbs, may, could, must, auxiliary verb, be, have, do, conjunction, and, but, if, unless, preposition, in, at, of, by, with. Conversion. Conversion is the word formation process in which a word of one grammatical form becomes a word of another grammatical form without any change to spelling or pronunciation. Kinds of conversion: noun to verb conversion, verb to noun conversion, other conversion. For example, adjective to verb: green to make environmentally friendly. Preposition to noun: up, down, the ups and downs of life. Conjunction to noun: if and but, no if, ands, and, or buts. Adverb derived from adjective. Adjective may also follow the word that modify. Example, that puppy looks cute. Adjective are used to modify nouns. The dog is loud. An adverb is a word or set of words that modifies verbs, adjective, or other adverbs. Adverbs are used to modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Example, the dogs bark loudly. Adverbs derive from adjectives. Adjectives are used to modify nouns. The dog is loud. Adverbs are used to modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. The dog barks loudly. Adverbs derive from adjective. Adjective may also follow the word they modify. Example, that puppy looks cute. Adjectives are used to modify nouns. Example, the dog is loud. An adverb is a word or set of words that modifies verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Adverbs are used to modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Example, the dog barks loudly. Noun derived from nouns. Use ship or hood to form nouns from other nouns. Friend, our friendship is very strong. Partner, we are in partnership with a major organization. Priest, entering the priesthood is a very serious commitment. Neighbor, our neighborhood is thankfully very quiet. Child, my childhood was a fun and productive time. B. At, or, and is from nouns of other nouns. Dancer, singer, murder, or actor, director, translator. Is, artist, economist, psychologist. Ian, logician, historian, physician. Noun derived from members of other word classes. A. Adjective derived from adjective. Addness to form nouns from adjective. Ready, they questioned her readiness for the test. Happy, it is important to create happiness for everyone. Weak, eating too much cake was a major weakness of his. Add et to form nouns from adjective. Responsible, your children are not my responsibility. Possible, nuclear war seemed like a real possibility. Hilarious, they reacted to the joke with much hilarity. B. Noun derived from verb. Adjective derived from adjective. Adjective can be formed in different words. They can also be formed to be a new word of adjective. Here are the form of adjective derived from adjective: comical, corrective, reddish. There are many prefixes to form a new adjective. Here are some of the following forms of adjective: an adjective, unkind, unable, unwise, unhealthy, unclean. An adjective, incapable, inanimate, insane, indecent, indefinite. But in change when it comes before PM, I, and R. Adjective, impossible, impatient, impolite, immortal, immobile. Ill adjective, illegal, illogical, illegible. Ill adjective, irregular, irrelevant. Adjective derived from members of other word classes. First, adjective derived from nouns. Noun adjective: hopeful, powerful, friendly, monthly. Second, adjective derived from verb. Verb adjective: adaptable, available, creative, adaptive. Verb derived from verb. This section is unusual in that all the affixes that I will mention it are prefixes. Most prominent are re and negative or reserves prefix an, the, and this, as in the following example: re-enter, disbelief, anti, the compost, suffix, plate. Verb derived from members of other word classes. Verbs derived from nouns and from adjectives are numerous. Some affix and suffix for deriving verbs from nouns are the book, the forest, beautiful. There are also some common verbs that are derived by replacing the final voiceless consonant of a noun with a voiced one, perhaps with some vowel change to parallel to the relationship between belief and belief. Although there it was the verbs that seem more basic. Nouns: build, breed, house, breed. Verbs: breed, breed, house, breeds.